What's up, guys? We made it to Nassau. We're just cruising, walking the street now. Got to get out of this hustle and bustle a little bit. Everyone's asking for everything. But cruise ship's over there. We're just gonna start walking around a little bit, see what's what. Nassau, Bahamas, baby. Let's ride. How you doing, sir? Oh, I'm trying to find some, maybe some good Bahamian rum. I want to get off the beaten path. I want to get away from the tourist spots. Where you suggest?
Well, you want to do that.
Within walking distance, you know, nothing too crazy.
You're gonna have to go back on the main street here.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
You're gonna have to walk straight on down. Let me see how much corners you're gonna have to pass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 corners on your right. But
5
you're gonna have
blocks.
to come back on go back on the street.
Okay.
Are you following me?
Yeah, I can't go that way and then turn back down?
You could go that.
Okay, I'll do 5 blocks and then go back down that way?
Yeah, straight on down.
Okay, cool.
It's just before you get to the Commonwealth Bank.
Commonwealth. Okay, cool.
Okay, it's on the right.
Awesome. I appreciate it, sir.
Take care of yourself.
Have a good day.
All right.
So we just talked to that cop. He said to go 5 blocks down for some rum. Let's see what happens. I think what they said is they don't suggest you go up the hill at all. I guess it gets a little sketchier there. I don't know. But, we got out of the tourist spot a little bit and we're just cruising Nassau now. Police station. Get off the bus. What's up, guys? We're here in Nassau, Bahamas, and we got out of the beaten path and we're kind of just cruising. We got out of the little tourist section and got into more of real Nassau. That's kind of what I wanted to do. So let's see, everything's kind of a little bit, I don't know, shut down or whatnot, but we're gonna have a good time. Let's go. We got away from all the tourists now. Ain't no damn tourists down here. Uh-oh, here we go. Little action. Uh-oh. Let's see what's happening, man. See what's happening. Get off the beaten path, man. Yeah, it's been so far so good. Saw a musician talk to a cop. Jesus. I'm talking shit. Stop, We just seeing where we go, man. Walking up. Somebody had a good time with some tequila. Bahamas isn't a super rich country. It's all based on tourism, so I think they hit hard during the corona. And weird. Let's go down here a little bit. Manton Adventures, baby. We just exploring, getting down, exploring up. Got away from the hustle and bustle, see the real Bohemian life. Nice little house getting redone. And yeah, we're just having a grand time, man. Nice and windy. Feels nice. Ain't no tourist around here. Where all the tourists go? Where'd all the tourists with chicken? What's up, chicken? Hello, do you take American cash?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can I get a small bottle of, do you have Myers rum? Good Bohemian rum.
Yeah.
No, rum.
Rum.
Just a small bottle of rum. What's the best Bohemian rum?
Yeah, well, y'all got the left.
Yeah.
That's the best thing about right now for right now.
Yeah.
Myers is Jamaican rum.
Oh, Jamaican. I'm sorry, yeah.
Yeah, Myers is Jamaican.
Jamaican. I just want something good Bohemian rum I want to try.
That's the left belt.
Just a small bottle.
That's the regular belt, like my lady minute.
Yeah.
But that's the Bohemian one. But the good, give them the left gold. Since he want a good one.
No, rum.
No.
No rum?
No rum.
You have no rum? What is this? What's these ones? That's rum, right? Huh? Coconut? Do you have regular? No? Regular rum? Just coconut? That's made in the Bahamas? Alright, well how much is that one? Yeah, let's do this one. How much is that one? 9? Just by itself. How has your day been today?
Oh, it's good.
Yeah?
You sure you drank it by itself? You drank it on the road?
I'm just gonna walk around. Can I walk around and drink or no?
Yeah, but you have to keep it in there.
Okay. Awesome. I appreciate it. Have a good day, y'all. All right. Got me some rum, man. Drink a little bit of rum, $9. This is more rum you can get on the boat for fucking 30. So we will see. A little rum, man. Let's see if I can get this thing open. Sometimes you need a little Jamaican rum. Yeah. That's made in Jamaica. Woo! look, a Ron Con Cola. Ron Con Cola.